Burrybeds, sing and play.
Dive in, kids, let's splash and play. Learn the vowels the ocean way. A is for anchor, sinking in the sea. E is for eel, swimming fast and free. I is for I make with palm trees so tall. O is for octopus, a waving arms for all. U is for urchin, spiky but so small. Together vowels help us all. Splash, splash, splash with vowels. Swim and sing, come on now. A, E, I, O, U. Ocean friends are learning too. A says A, anchor, drop it down low. E says E, eel, watch and go, go, go. I says I, island, sunny and bright. O says octopus, hold tight. U says ooh, urchin hiding in the sand. Let's clap for vowels hand in hand. Splash, splash, splash with vowels. Swim and sing, come on now. A, E, I, O, U. Ocean friends are learning too. Great swimming, kids, you learned your vowels with the ocean crew. A, E, I, O, U, hooray now!
Thanks for watching Burrybeds. Bye-bye!